The Tashkent Agreement, signed in 1966, aimed to end the 1965 Indo-Pakistani War. It involved India and Pakistan agreeing to withdraw troops to pre-war positions, return captured territories, and restore diplomatic and economic ties. The agreement also included provisions for non-interference in each other's internal affairs and discouraging propaganda. Key points of the Tashkent Agreement. 1. Withdrawal of troops. Both India and Pakistan agreed to withdraw their armed personnel to pre-war positions. 2. Ceasefire. The agreement established a ceasefire line and committed both nations to observing it. 3. Return of captured territories. Both sides agreed to return territories captured during the war to their pre-war status. 4. Normalization of relations. The agreement aimed to restore diplomatic, economic, and trade relations. 5. Non-interference. India and Pakistan agreed to refrain from interfering in each other's internal affairs. 6. No propaganda. Both nations agreed to discourage propaganda against each other. And 7. Prisoner of war repatriation. The agreement included provisions for the repatriation of prisoners of war. Significance and outcome. 1. The escalation of conflict. The agreement helped escalate the 1965 war and restored a semblance of peace between the two nations. 2. Diplomacy and dialogue. It highlighted the importance of diplomacy and dialogue in resolving international conflicts. 3. Role of external mediation. The agreement underscored the role of external mediation, in this case, the Soviet Union, in achieving peace. 4. Unresolved issue of Kashmir. Despite the agreement, the Kashmir dispute remained unresolved, and tensions persisted. And 5. Continued tensions. The agreement did not completely eliminate tensions between India and Pakistan, and future conflicts continued. Historical context. 1. The Tashkent Agreement was signed in Tashkent, Uzbekistan, which was then part of the Soviet Union, according to Wikipedia. 2. The agreement was negotiated between Indian Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri and Pakistani President Ayub Khan, according to Wikipedia. And 3. The agreement was a significant diplomatic achievement, but its impact on the long-term relationship between India and Pakistan is complex.